What's up everybody, today we have the Asus Vivobook S15 and let's start with the unboxing. In the box we get to see the laptop first on the top with a sleek cloth cover or a fabric cover we can say, and underneath that we have some paperwork which are totally useless for us reviewers. And the next there is some empty cardboard boxes, and then there is the charger inside the cardboard box, which is actually wrapped in plastic and comes in two parts. The main component, the part looks like a smart TV box or like Apple TV, but it's wrapped in plastic and it took me about like 10 minutes to get it out of that plastic. Finally, when it's out, it looks something like this, and it's actually a 65-watt charger, standard cable. Inside that fabric sleeve is the laptop. The laptop is in golden color, I guess it's called golden pearl color, and has another sleeve to cover or protect the keyboards. Actually, this is not the first unboxing. I unboxed it first and then put it up. So this is how the laptop looks. Pretty decent on the first look, I can say. Has a metallic finish on top, and the build quality is pretty decent to be fair, and has a really shiny metal to it on the top and even on the bottom part of it. The laptop is 15.6 inches and also the display is 15.6 inches. The laptop is pretty sleek and pretty lightweight. It weighs about like 1.8 kgs and has a fingerprint sensor on it, which is a pretty good deal, and has that metallic texture on it, which also feels pretty premium to be fair. Now the laptop has Core i7 inside of it, which is a 8th generation Core i7, and also has NVIDIA GeForce Mobile GPU. The laptop comes with a Core i5 or an i7 option. Now the special thing about the design is this ergo lift, which Asus calls it. It kind of creates a distance for the air to go out of the vents, and that's a pretty cool lift, I would say. It creates about 3 to 5 degree of angle, and all the usable ports are there. It's pretty decent. So these were the first impressions of the laptop, and stay tuned for a full review because I will be reviewing this laptop and how it performs and how it handles all the games and all of the deep stuff that we have. Stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.